having problem with Jennifer.
You don't even know it. And you're busy making that chewing gum.
Not really, but
That one is not a problem at all.
I just wanted to find a way to do whatever she asks of you.
Okay, so when should I go?
Even if there is no vacancy, immediately they see you, they will create work.
Give me definition of it now.
Because you had allowed me to stay back then in school and study with my friends rather than buying every single lecturer with money. This was the good about
Come out the brightest students of the year.
Okay, refer them to the head teacher.
It's not possible. My precious daughter can never fail her test.
You still have to give them extra money to exit the class.
My parents used to work in here and they demand I help them pass their children to the next.
Send me your account details. I just need my child, Jennifer David, to always pass her exams and take second or third position in her class. Okay? Just keep pushing.
Okay, now I'm done with school. After this whole certificate.
You can't even write a simple report. A graduate like you, after 5 years in the university,